everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 30th to the 3rd of September 2021 on Monday. Gladys tells Tati that she has forgiven her and tells Melusi that there will be no divorce. Don is triumphant as Officer Nabe reprimand Tati, Mazette and Pretty for failing to give him tangible evidence that Don is a criminal. Bongani is that late when he finds Don waiting for him at the Shisanyama on Tuesday. Gladys makes a bizarre suggestion. Don decide it's time to make his presence felt in Gomora. One family says goodbye to their loved one on Wednesday. Mazette brings in a secret weapon to get rid of Don. Don and Zodwa share an intimate moment. Tati arrives for a very awkward dinner at the Dlaminis on Thursday. Sparks fly between Zodwa and Don and they grow even more intense. Ntokozo demands an apology from Tati for Miss Lungwani. Gladys is guilt-ridden when Tati mentioned Langa's death on Friday. Gladys makes a shocking confession to Ntokozo. Zodwa finds herself thinking of Don while she is with Bongani. The Molefe's family wait for Don's lease while gearing up to evict him. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.